Back to school, a time where some people thrive, some people cry, and some people eat ridiculous amounts of ice cream and chocolate. I think you can already guess which one of those I am. I already knew this first week was gonna be rough and painful and disorganized and overwhelming, and so I decided to document it all. For you. Yes. Every year, it's the same old questions. What if I can't handle it? What if I do fail? What if I can't balance YouTube and school and extracurriculars and still take care of my body and make time for me? It's a lot to think about, but it's even worse when you think you can't do it.
I give you all the peanut butter. Are you gonna share any with me? Rude.
These cookies are freaking crazy. Like, what?
Self-doubt has always been a friend of mine, but I realized these doubts are not the truth. It's just in your head. I mean, I'm literally saying I'm stressing and crying about not doing well in school, failing my essay, before I even know if I have to write an essay. These things haven't even happened yet. And what I learned
Oh, it's so hot.
is that these unfortunate scenarios that I create in my head usually never actually happen. I never actually failed my test. I never actually couldn't do it. Yes, sometimes I ate 7 tubs of ice cream, but I still turned out okay. Everything just seems impossible until you actually begin.
Wow,
Being eggs. Dumpling!
Oh dear, stress eating. Welcome back, my other friend. It's been a while. I'm not ashamed to admit that I'm a proud stress eater. Food makes me feel better, it calms me down, it soothes my pain, and that's okay. We're emotional beings. Food is literally linked to our feelings. Emotional eating is a part of being human. I try not to feel guilty for eating when I'm stressed or sad or happy because I'm fully aware that I'm doing it, and I'm happy to do it because I know it'll make me feel better, and because I know I have control, and I trust my body to find balance.
That's good.
I want some chocolate before I work out because I'm stressed.
Oh, Mom. That's impressive!
Wow, that was so fun.
Okay, so it's your go. One more! Faster! My mom says whenever you feel stressed, just eat chocolate.
And a black chocolate.
Black chocolate. You mean dark chocolate? Okay, I don't need that many. I don't want school to start.
So yeah, I know it's scary being out of control, potentially gaining weight, eating your feelings away, but the problem occurs when emotional eating is your only tool to cope and when it controls you. But I think I emotional eat in a balanced way, and I think I control it.
I am a stress eater.
Only music in my car is just the AC, and I hate it.
I've just been editing and now plans, agenda, calendar.
So a little bit about me. I'm in the process of getting a dual degree in health sciences and business administration. And here's the list of the courses that I will be taking this year. Super fun, I know. What can I do with my degree? Nobody knows. Does learning about health science actually help me learn about taking better care of my health? Absolutely not.
And I've been reading this one thing. I can't even speak.
I always thought you could either take care of your health or do well in school, and one always came at the cost of the other.
Oh, beautiful.
I thought I couldn't get a 4.0 average while still working out and taking care of myself and still being happy. I was like, take your pick, be happy or smart. And that is the most incorrect mindset ever.
I finished the textbook readings. I've been editing. It's 2 o'clock? Bruh, this is what I'm like when school starts. Everything just like, I've been reading. Nope. I've been editing. I'm gonna go film. I'm gonna edit. Hello. You're drinking some chocolate. So good.
The thing is, you don't have to choose. You can love everything you do if you just change your mindset, see your privilege, and understand that everyone has the same amount of time.
Oh my god, it's so good.
There's a way to do everything you want in life. Work hard, plan your day, but don't overdo it. Make it sustainable. And for me, it can't be sustainable unless I find a way to enjoy it. Okay, anyways, I need to talk about the salad. I used to be a salad hater. You know, I was like, ew, salad, veggies, strange, cold textures, hurts my mouth, too healthy. No, wrong, incorrect. I could eat salad every day of my life if it tasted like this.
Wow, so good. Wow. I've eaten the whole bag. 10:20, still editing. Yep.
honestly, there just aren't enough hours in a day. The thing I've been proudest of is my work ethic. I work and push myself until I accomplish what I want, which is not always the greatest because I feel so guilty if I'm not working, or editing, or making a thumbnail, responding to emails, talking to friends, writing, reading, working out, planning each minute of every day, because I feel like in this world obsessed with productivity, no minute can be wasted.
I'm so excited.
But sometimes I just need to do nothing. I realize no moment is a wasted moment. My mind needs to take a break, to organize itself, to connect the dots. There are moments where I just need to spend with myself.
You can't eat it or you'll die. Time for a Zoom class. Eating a granola bar.
A lot of people ask me who my favorite YouTubers are, and it changes literally all the time, but this summer I was obsessed with Ava Maloche. She just calms my soul down. So yeah, if you're a workaholic, that's not necessarily a bad thing. I just don't ever want to feel guilty for taking care of myself.
为什么？我看1分钟下，后背就有点湿乎乎。
我特别喜欢你。
So I pick and choose my goals realistically. I'm going to work out whenever I can because it makes me feel good. I'm going to try not to cry every time I don't get 100 on assignment, and I'm going to prioritize myself more. That is how I want and choose to spend my minutes.
Serving number 2. So good. It's 11 o'clock. Grind time. Go to bed, man.
As you can probably tell, I'm also a late night snacker. It honestly is just to keep myself awake, and it's probably not the best for me, but I'm not about to give in to coffee just yet. It's literally the second day of school. So that leads us to weight gain in school. No matter where I am, no matter how good life is, no matter how much I love my body and what it can do for me, weight gain is hard for me to accept. Why am I scared? Why does the number bother me so much? Why does it make me hate myself when I know and say so often that it doesn't change who I am? It's not who I am, but it does feel like that sometimes. When nothing else in my life seems to be working, I'm overwhelmed and I see that number, it definitely does not make me feel any better. It's those temporary thoughts. Linda, you failed. You let yourself go. You're not beautiful anymore. People are going to notice. But so what? My body is always changing. It's unrealistic to expect my body to stay at one point forever, and I have more important things to do with my time than stress and cry over my weight.
This is the stupidest shit I've ever done. Spontaneous package opening. What does it feel like? Really? Wow! Oh my goodness! I want to open the card. Wow, she wrote my name. She wrote my name. Happy 100K. Oh my god. Hi, Linda's family. This is crazy. It's like the adjustables and like do everything with it. Yes! We got the classic one. Thank you, Lily. Yay!
Used to be close, now where they go?
Oh shit.
So this time around, instead of crying about gaining a little bit of weight, I'm just going to trust my body, move, fuel, take care of myself, continue feeding myself pancakes, and tell myself I'm not worth any less because I weigh a little bit more. Now let's talk about working out during school.
This is just the best part of the day.
This relationship between me and exercise in my body has been a very wild ride, and when school starts, it gets even more wild.
Yeah!
This again is all about personal priorities. Everyone spends their time in their own way. For me, just because I have 5 exams coming up next week doesn't mean I stop working out, because I don't just take care of my health when it's convenient for me. It's my life, and every day I want to feel good, but at the same time, skipping a day, a week, or even a month of workouts is not going to decrease your lifespan or turn your arms to jelly.
Yeah, it was so good.
I've accepted that if I don't have time, I don't have time. Sometimes I need to sleep an extra hour, then get a workout in. In the end, it's all about listening to your body. You will always be able to go to the gym. You're not always going to be able to rewrite your exam. So what does my new workout routine look like? No, I'm not working out 2 times a day anymore, but I'm still going to try to get in a workout every single day because I know I'm a happier human when I sweat.
I've been wanting this band forever. I love you, Lily. Thank you. God, yes. It was made for me. We're like twinning.
You guys already know, Lily has changed my life. She's helped me fall in love with my body, my strength, and she has me addicted to sweating. I never thought I could wake up and actually be excited to push and challenge my body. I never knew I could be so proud of my body. Especially with school, doing her workout gives me a moment to myself. 40 minutes of just me and Lily and her beautiful bands. And guys, there is a very, very, very exciting Lily and Linda project coming your way. Be excited. I used to be an all or nothing kind of person. Like, I'm either gonna fail or get 100. I'm not gonna accept anything in between until I realized I was basically destroying my mental health.
Oh my god.
Sustainability leads to success. Weight loss, healthy living, getting good grades, being happy does not come from an all or nothing mentality. Really wish I knew that.
I'm in love with this salad. The avocado makes it 5 million times better.
If I'm stressed now, it's only gonna get worse from here, so I decide every day, multiple times a day, I'm gonna do happy things, fun things, relaxing things, unproductive, silly things. What?
Hello.
What is this?
Welcome home! Mother! I grew that avocado from the pit.
Where is the avocado? Didn't you say it takes like years?
87 years, so maybe my grandchildren. Okay. Those are my grow lights.
You're really invested in this plant life. What is this? For today?
Mom. Do you want me to eat it?
Oh yeah, you're really good at that.
You can put the meat on the potatoes, or you can put it on the side like that.
And I put bread on the butter. Butter on the bread?
Yeah, I knew what you were there.
Okay, clink me.
Oh, same time.
Okay, which one do I put it on? Okay, I just put it on everything. It's so good. With the salt.
The salt really makes
salt
it.
like takes it to a different level.
I know.
Mom,
Yeah,
it's so good.
The garden beans are really good.
Really good. That smells so weird.
I subscribe.
Really?
Need more alcohol.
Don't drink, kid.
Drink. Life changing. Do you know Lost in the Light by Bahamas?
Maybe. Play it.
Give it another try.
Hey Google, play Lost in the Light by Bahamas.
Sorry, something went wrong.
Spotify's
When you're ready,
broken.
give it another
Spotify's broken. I just feel like alive. I want to live.
Why we say don't drink. Hey Google, play Lost in the Light.
I don't think Google wants to. Thank you.
Thanks, Tim. Hey Google, play Lost in the Light by Bahamas.
playing on Spotify. Sorry.
Ask for another song.
Hey Google, play Party in the USA by Miley Cyrus.
He came, he gave my daughter, my dad.
This is not good.
So my plan is I'm gonna watch a rom-com by myself. I'm gonna color, go on 3-hour walks, I'm gonna sleep in when I need to and play in time to laugh, to see friends, and drink wine and dance and be silly because Linda, life is more than just your resume. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is take a break and do the things that you love. Laugh and forget and sing songs that you don't even know at the top of your lungs with the people that you love.
Remember when you used to listen to those like rap songs? And then you got like 3 like
Time of my life. This is my life story.
School is really stressing me out.
Some days will be overly overwhelming. Like today I went to work out and I just started crying. Why? I honestly couldn't tell you. Nothing really happened, but at the same time everything happened. Hearing this, seeing that, worrying, overthinking, not working out enough, just stressing. So I worked out really hard and cried. So future me, when you're watching this back, know it's okay to be vulnerable, to be sad, to be overwhelmed, to be so stressed you literally do not know what to do or how to function properly. Cry, scream, work out, take a break, collect your thoughts, breathe, break down, then break down again. Think about nothing, think about everything, know that you can't do everything at once, you are just one person. Give yourself a break, or 20. You can't be perfect, just do the best that you can and you're going to be just fine. Everyone has bad days. Sometimes you just need to eat a melon and explode in order to collect the pieces and start over. No matter how badly I do not want to wake up sometimes, I have learned to wake up and be thankful for all the good in my life, and all the bad in my life, and appreciate the fact that I'm allowed to mess up a lot, because not everyone has the privilege of being encouraged to make mistakes.
Why did all the ruins go? Why is my night so slow? ink seeping in my
I feel
skin.
so good.
Hoping
Lily
they could
is the
heal my
best. That was
soul.
amazing.
I have to believe that my life has a purpose, that my morning routine is fun, and that every breakfast I eat is the best breakfast I've ever had, and that every time I eat being, it's the first and last time I'm gonna have it, and that every workout will make me stronger than I was, and make every little task something exciting. You have to look forward to every day, because only when I began to look forward to tomorrow was when I started to enjoy my boring and average but amazing life.
I really like kale.
It's do or die. Now keep on driving perfect circles.
不要吃啊！你吃了你就吃歪了我的尿。
Fine.
Getting
Don't
harder,
eat it.
now keep on.
In the grand scheme of things, I just don't care. I don't care if I gain a little bit of weight. I don't care if I skip a workout day because I need to study. I don't care if I eat a whole bag of popcorners once in a while. But I do care if I'm constantly sad or if I'm not happy with what I'm doing or who I am. I care if I have no control over my life. For me to feel healthy is not just eating broccoli and sleeping 8 hours a day. It's my mindset about life.
Come on, buddy, done.
I literally never have any idea what's going on ever in my business class. Listen to everyone else blabble about money and financial statements. Hello? I don't want to do this.
Yeah, eat your fruits and veggies, get all those vitamins in, but I also want to remind you guys not to forget to do something you love. Talk about what's bothering you, take a day to focus on yourself, and take care of your mind too, because in the grand scheme of things, you're going to be fine. Life is stressful. There isn't enough time. There never is. And sometimes it's spent drowning in homework, other times with friends, or bawling your eyes out in the shower. Sometimes you don't want to be here. Sometimes you wish time didn't exist. But I read somewhere, because I can't give my life any more time, just try to give the time you have, you know, a little bit more life. Sometimes you just have to say, I love you guys. I believe in you. I believe in me. And we got this.